Greetings, Daniels here. I love Moodle, I use it all the time, but there's some things that really slow me down as an overworked, busy high school teacher, as I'm sure most high school teachers around the planet would agree. I need some place feedback in the questions to include random feedback or something in the code in the edit quiz at the question level or the quiz level to include random positive feedback. Feedback checkbox for random, encouraging feedback on correct and incorrect statements. This feedback should be should be users or admins should be able to load feedback statements via a text file, via the web, of course, but as well in a simple text file. So again, the quiz interface, the question interface, when the student is taking the test, rather when the student the answer, they practice it, let's see what happens after it loads. Okay, so I click, and on submit I should get some feedback. And okay, so I didn't get any feedback on any of these. Now, let's see, previous fill with the correct. Doesn't show. I'm presuming that these are all correct. I'm not even reading the questions, but I should have some way of getting seeing random feedback, positive feedback on these questions. Furthermore, I should also see if there's how many times this question has been flagged in the past. So that's a thing to include. Let's see, preview. Okay, indicate number of times the question has been challenged by students, and additionally indicate who wrote the question, who approved the question, because we should be moving to an environment where the students are writing the questions and the teacher or the TA is identified. All right, love Moodle, use it all the time. Just some core issues for larger sites that might have some other issues or other problems. I am coherent normally, but until then, I want to thank you for watching. DennisGDaniels@gmail.com. You can visit me as well at DennisGDaniels.com. Thanks, and happy computing.